This could be the car for you. The 2018 Honda Civic. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.